Namaste.
Namaste.
She's Viji.
She's Seema.
We're from Chennai. We've joined Sanskriti Yoga Shala. It's been 6 months we've joined. Initially, we took the free classes, and it's been 3 months we've taken the regular classes. And from the day, first month, we could see a lot of difference.
So, talking about Sanskriti Yoga Shala, it's not only about yoga or asanas, or they don't concentrate only on the physical aspects. It's an overall package where they talk about meditation, pranayama, and so many other things in yoga. And it's the holistic approach is a very important point to be told about Sanskriti Yoga Shala. And they also conduct philosophy classes wherein you get a deeper insight about yoga. And generally I have been to many yoga classes where they concentrate only on asanas. The main thing they tell you when you go for joining is about weight loss and other stuffs. But here it's entirely different. The outlook, the approach towards yoga is in a different way, and that's what is making all of us to look forward each and every class.
Yeah, and when we talk about our trainer Prashantji, he's very knowledgeable person, and and he shares his knowledge with everyone. He conducts regular one-on-one with us, and he and he ensures that both it's balanced. Talks about mental and physical aspects. He covers that. It is not only, he also gets other trainers like Vikasji for Ashtanga and Sujay for Pranayama. So his class is like a combination of different trainers.
Yeah, it's not monotonous. It's very consistent, and all the trainers are very clear in their planning. Every day they plan the session properly. It looks like a well planned session every time, and there is no mess ups, goof ups, nothing. And it's a balanced package, as in if you are attending yoga for a week, it is balanced with intense workout for few days and meditation for few days, and pranayama on a particular day, and they plan it out equally throughout the week, which makes it very easy for us also to accommodate to the classes. And it is never monotonous. They are very consistent, and every day is a surprise.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we talk about the yoga classes. It's been like I've been practicing yoga for many years now. But this class, after I joined, it's like she mentioned, it's not only about yoga. It is about different aspects they cover.
And the general well-being.
Yeah, it's like a general well-being. So
mental and physical well-being.
Yes.
Yeah. It's always interesting to know. Every day is a learning for all of us.
So we look forward for the classes every day. We want to know what is the new thing we're going to learn from him or from any of the trainer.
Yeah. To me personally, my attitude towards how to handle a situation or how to react to a situation has changed a lot. In fact, after having a 2 round of one-on-one session with Prashantji, he talks to you in a way where he doesn't give his opinion or suggestion to us. When we come up with some issues like I'm not able to concentrate on this or I'm not able to do this, he doesn't give you a solution or suggestion. He just says, keep observing, just keep listening to your body, just observe what your mind says. Once you observe, you will only come up with the solution. So it has happened to me many times. When I go and tell him that this is not right and this is not happening to me, he says just observe, just observe. I used to think, what is this guy saying? Observe, observe, observe. But then later on, after a week or so, I'll actually come up with a solution, and I'll tell him that maybe this is why I'm not able to do this, and he'll say that you self-assess yourself.
Self-assessment is very important.
It's the best thing, and we are also able to be consistent in our practice because his classes are very interesting.
Yes, we could see a lot of changes in
Yes. It's not only with the physical changes, it's also about, he also talks about healthy eating, how to eat, how to fast, and benefits of all that. He covers many things apart from yoga, And I think we have so far seen yoga as a fitness regime, but
Yes.
now we are seeing it as a, it's just a way of life, and yoga
It's
has
part of
become our
part of life, like he
One
always
day
mentions.
without yoga is like not eating.
Yes.
So thanks to Prashant ji and all his trainers, and he's doing a very good job. I have referred many of my friends, and we are a bunch of people. Actually,
Yes.
it's not only the two of us. We are like 7 of us who have joined Prashant ji's class together, and we all are having fun.
Yes. So we look forward for many more classes like this and work together.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you.